Steve, Jess, Tacoma High School senior Gracie Ray was all set to walk for her graduation when she was told by her school principal to take off her tribal regalia. She's Indigenous, and that's against state law. The school district investigated and admitted they were wrong, but the family says that is simply not enough.
I'm right there.
Since her graduation in June, Gracie Ray has been focused on self-care, which includes traditional Indigenous medicine,
Just like the equivalent to sage, but no.
And interacting with her parrot. Gracie says she needed time to heal after she was told to remove her button blanket during graduation at the Tacoma Dome. She is a member of the Tlingit Haida tribe in Alaska. At graduation, she was given a choice: take it off or not walk at all. So she chose to walk without her button blanket.
I didn't really realize how alone I felt until after. I wanted more people to put my trust in, but because of what happened, I don't really trust authority too much.
Gracie says she failed to finish her associate's degree due to the traumatic experience. Her mother, Jeanette Meeks, says it has been a challenging 4 months.
She's had a lot of emotional regulation issues. There's been a lot of mental health things going on and triggers and some tics developing. She's on medication. She's seeing a therapist. It's just a lot.
This month, Tacoma Public Schools admitted in its own investigation the district failed to comply with the state law, a 4-year-old statute that protects an Indigenous student's right to graduate in tribal regalia. It outlined plans to offer training to staff and improve communications. It also said it will issue, quote, progressive discipline to staff who are accountable for the decision to deny Gracie the right to wear her tribal regalia. But what kind of discipline is confidential. Gracie recounted specifically that Lincoln High School principal Carl Hoseth removed her button blanket, and director of schools Doug Hostetter gave the mandate to do so. Meek says all the promises are great, but what about her daughter?
Gracie Bell Ray.
That will not buy my daughter a time machine. That will not put my daughter and our family back on that day to have her go through her ceremony as she should have, as her peers did when they were wearing their culturally significant items. But my daughter was stripped of hers.
Should the school district have known better?
Absolutely. The school district should have known better.
Joe Gerke is Gracie's family attorney and has notified TPS they will be filing a lawsuit.
Native American, Indigenous students have had years and years of harm that all people of color have experienced. And yet in 2024, with that long history of students being marginalized, nobody stopped to think.
By taking this to court, Gracie says she's hoping her experience can be used as an example of what should not be happening.
They've had many chances to correct this, to learn this, to understand what is right or wrong, and to understand the law that has been in place for 4 years. I don't think they deserve any other chances.
Both Gracie and her mom agree nothing will bring back the loss of this once-in-a-lifetime moment.
$100 million, $1 billion is nothing's going to make her whole. That was stolen. They assimilated her. They made her remove her clothing.
The tort claim was filed on October 11th. The school district has 60 days to respond. We have reached out to the district for further comment. They apologized and said all of the recommended improvements suggested in their own investigation are already underway. They said that they could not comment on what kind of discipline the people involved in this incident are facing.
Sharon, Gracie's family and others who helped pass this law, they want to update the state statute as well, right?
Yeah, so right now there are no penalties when it comes to violating the law, so they do want to add like a financial penalty to it. They also want to clarify and modify the law a little bit further so that the Indigenous students who don't want to wear the polyester gown underneath their regalia don't necessarily have to.
Okay, so maybe some more follow-ups on this. Sharon, thank you. And if you do have a story idea for Sharon and our Facing Race team, send an email to race@king5.com and we'll look into it.